HW97K registered repairs and hobbies. We got a box here we can open up, and you already know by the title what it's going to be. Let's take a look at it. Packed very well. Air Guns of Arizona. Receipt. Bubble wrap. Packed very well. Look at that. They do a good job. Let's see, get that open. I was thinking this would come in a box, but it doesn't. It comes in a package. Huh. This is strange. There's supposed to be two parts of this. I guess not. I would imagine there would have been two parts to this. There's supposed to be a thing that goes on the front of it. The cover. Let's open it up more. This part and this part. There's supposed to be a cover that goes on the front of this. This is made by the Eagle Vision cam. Not in there. Okay. And it's supposed to be 1/2 inch by 20 by UNF. And it is indeed that. Okay. So let's see if it's magnetic. It's not magnetic. Okay. It's got 2 pins here to tighten. And the other Allen wrench is to help tightening it. And it's on the muzzle of the, this is for the HK97. So what you do is you take these 2 pins. After you take the other cap off, you get the other pin out, and you put these 2 pins in here to tighten it, like that, like that. Then you use the wrench to tighten it when you have it in the muzzle. I'm going to show that in another video. Okay, but these are the components you get from Air Guns of Arizona. There's supposed to be a cover that goes on there. I don't know what happened to that. So, and with the 7mm Allen wrench and breaker bar, we've got this loose, and we're turning it out and take it out of the gun and put the adapter on. And there it is. It's loose. Turning it out, and it's off the gun. So let's put the adapter on now. Threaded it on here, and we're turning it in and meeting some resistance. Now I got to take those 2 little bars. Here are the 2 little bars there, and then we go like this, and we just tighten it like that. And that's how you install the Eagle Vision adapter for this from Air Guns from Arizona. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. I wanted to show you what it looks like with the moderator on there. So that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.